When I say bananas, you say peppers. And you guys, I couldn't resist. I did it again. Today, I've got another set of little Dooley. These are the mystery ball jointed dolls that are some of the most expensive mystery boxes I've ever bought that are like singularly expensive on their own. Found them on Amazon. And they are basically these little ball jointed doll sets that are of course sold separately. So you get one mystery ball jointed doll if you buy that listing, and then another listing you can buy is clothes that are like particular for this doll set. So there's 6 different types of mystery clothing you can get and 6 different little Dooley dolls that you can get. So basically we are hoping for any single option except for the exact same repeat that I got last time. So since I filmed this video last, I attempted to do a little bit more research about them because, like I said in the other video, when these come like delivered from Amazon, they come all wrapped up like if you get an item from like Wish or AliExpress. So I looked for them on AliExpress and I was trying to mostly see if I could find another version of these, because if you look, this box does say 2022 spring. So I was kind of trying to see like, were there other dolls that had other colors of hair? Were there different outfits that like maybe this had been going on for like many seasons? But I tried to look up the brand. I tried to look up Little Dooley, and maybe this is like a brand new thing, a brand new series, because I was able to find them on AliExpress, but it was the same six options of dolls and 6 options of clothing. So, and it was like the same price, which was kind of the thing that shocked me the most, is because I feel like when you shop on Amazon, a lot of the times these days you're getting like free shipping and fast shipping, but maybe you're paying a little bit more for a particular item. And a lot of times you can find the same stuff on Wish and AliExpress, but you're going to be waiting like months to get it. But I was shocked because it was like the exact same price. It was maybe like $1 cheaper. So I went ahead and just bought it from Amazon again. This is a 2-minute explanation of this. Are you bored? So once again, I'm gonna open the doll first, and I actually like did not set up a second camera angle this time because, you know, I was like kind of curious like what the experience inside the box was going to be, but we don't get any like collector's cards or any kind of extras or anything like that. So I figured, hey, I'll just show you the box this way. Oh, that's the other thing I forgot to say is I have a couple ball jointed mystery dolls on the way that I did find from AliExpress, but they're totally different characters, totally different styles. So I'm hoping that those are going to be here before next year, but we shall see. So here are the options. Last time we got her, so hoping for any one of the other 6 except for that one. She's adorable, but we don't need 2. That's what I said would suck about these, is to get like a repeat from like a $50 mystery box or something. That would not be fun. So here we go. It's got those little like perforated pull tabs that I love so much, that are similar to the Pop Mart figures. And then when we open up the box, if I'm remembering correctly, I think the inside bag was silver. Yes. All right, let's open it up. And I'm trying to feel the hair in there. See, that was like the first time I opened these. I didn't even know if they would like have hair or if you could replace the hair. Oh, yay. Ooh, I think we got the one that I was really hoping for, because she has long, like strawberry pink hair. So cute. I feel like the last one had bangs as well, but like more side swept bangs. So I don't know. Guys, I took the other doll like downstairs and I definitely should have brought her upstairs for this video, but I love the little eyes. So cute. Oh my God, you guys, I didn't even notice Right now her head's on backwards. So that is a little creepy. There we go. But really, really cute. The eyes almost make them look like fairies or something in my opinion, especially with the pink hair. It kind of makes them like look more like mythical, like they're fairies or mermaids or something. Well, I guess they can be mermaids. They'd have to be mermaids with legs. Maybe they're mermaids who have had an evil sea witch spell cast upon them. Now it's time to find out which clothing that we're gonna get. So they do come, I'm sure you guys saw, they all have this same set of pajamas with the white shirt and the pink sleeves and pants. So let's find out which outfit we're gonna get. And I'm trying to show you guys which one we got last time. We actually did get number 1 last time. I keep hoping for this one, number 5, because I love this, like, it looks like it's going to be mustard color, but like a fleecy jacket. I feel like that would be so cute. I was also so shocked last time because you guys are about to see again, these boxes, they even come with like shoes, which, oh my gosh, I don't know. I feel like that's kind of like a rarity. I feel like usually shoes are like sold separately, you know? Okay, trying to unbox. So this bag is the same. That's the only kind of thing is I wish that these came with like either collector's cards or some other kind of additional information would be nice. So I'm gonna choke on my own spit. Here we go, you guys. Look at this bag. It looks like astronaut food. Did I say that last time? This feels like something I would look at and each time say, that looks like astronaut ice cream. Oh my God, you guys. How exciting. I feel like this is like the best of all possible outcomes. It's like, that is probably the doll that I wanted most. Yeah. And the clothes that I like the most. I cannot believe it. So here are the little boots, which loved these last time. Love them again this time. The ones that we got last time specifically did look like Doc Martens because they actually like had laces and everything. And these just kind of look like a shiny, still they have like a very similar like heel and sole to Doc Martens, but definitely like they're pull-on boots. So I don't know what these, like what would the counterpart be IRL, but I like them. They're like a shiny patent leather. Guys, I don't know why these lamps feel like extra hot today. Is my face red? I feel like I'm like sweating. All right, you guys. Oh my God. Okay, so we have many adorable pieces this time, but I have got to show you guys this first. Okay, I'll show you this first because this is pretty cute too. So here are little tiny brown socks. I'm hoping we're gonna be able to get these on the feet this time because last time, you guys, they had like a lace trim on the top and they were sewn like so tightly or something. I could not put the socks on the feet. But you guys, I sincerely cannot believe that this exists in such a tiny miniature form. But we have 2 bow barrettes and they're actually on little real working clips. Like, look at this. They actually pop open and then you can actually like clip them in her hair. So cute. So then we have just like a stretchy white t-shirt and very, very cute. I forgot last time I was like rating each piece by like, would I wear it or not? And then the skirt is like so interesting because it's like a wraparound. Well, how else would a skirt? It actually has Velcro, a wraparound skirt. But look at that. We have like 2 different kinds of fabric. This is like a stretchy fabric and this is more of like a cotton kind of fabric. But like, look at that. I said this last time, I feel like these clothes are like very detailed and I also feel like I love how many different like textures there are. And here is, I wish this was my size. It is a fluffy, it does have like that nice like texture to it. I don't know what kind, maybe like Sherpa or something. I'm sure that's not like what this is made out of, but it looks just like that. And it feels soft. And I love the color. I didn't know on the box if it was gonna be kind of like a mustard yellow or like more of an orange, but oh my gosh. All right, you guys, do y'all wanna see something wild and crazy? Her head comes off. That's the only way that you can change the clothes and everything, as strange and disturbing as that is. So last time I attempted to change this doll's clothing, it took like 20 minutes. So I'm gonna go ahead and pause filming now and dress the doll, and then we will be back with like the final look. Once again, that did take like at least 10 minutes. I don't know what is so complicated about changing the outfits of these tiny little dolls. But I have to say, once again, I don't understand the socks, honestly. If they were like, y'all, every time my printer does that, it's so creepy. Like it just randomly starts to act like it's printing. I still don't understand the socks. If they were like leggings or tights or even like, I don't know, crew length socks or something, that would maybe make a little bit more sense. They're still like very difficult to get on even without the like lace trim at the top. So this time I actually was able to put the socks on the doll. But then once I had the bulk of the socks on, I could not get the shoes on. And also, like, I could tell by the length of the shoes and how much the socks like went onto the feet that even if I would have gotten the socks on there, like you wouldn't have been able to tell. Like you wouldn't be able to see that there were socks. So like literally, what is the point of socks? So far I can't see one. So here is the little outfit. So cute. I was really shocked by how well the barrettes clipped into the hair. The outfit is so cute. I love the fleecy jacket. That is definitely my favorite part. This is kind of like an interesting outfit in my opinion. It's definitely maybe not a look that I would like put together with all of the different like color palettes mixed together. So you guys have to let me like know what y'all think about this outfit together with the brown, the blue, the black boots, a white shirt, a mustard yellow jacket, an orange and red skirt. That is like, and pink hair. That's definitely like a whole look, but I mean, it's really cute on the doll. But I feel like that could be something else like fun, is the more of these dolls you can collect, and the more different outfits you collect, you could all like obviously always like you guys, everywhere it is a struggle. You could obviously swap out any clothing pieces, like if an outfit had like certain pieces that you liked better. I'm now just explaining the obvious. However, one last thing that I did notice on the box that is pretty interesting is you have a small chance of getting a doll with brown black eyes. So that is so cool. I actually did not notice that each of the drawings on the box all have blue eyes. The doll we got last time has blue eyes, and so does she. So I guess like the hair of the dolls and like the style of the dolls, I guess, don't look any different. The only like ultra rare chase option we have is for different colored eyes. Y'all have to let me know what you think about this one. Do you think that this doll is cuter than the one we got last time? Or do you like her better? I think that they are so cute, but I think I'm gonna wait for the other ones to come in from AliExpress before I get another one of these, just because like I feel like we've been so lucky now to get 2 different like mystery items. We just as easily could have gotten like repeats of both, just because like 1 in 6, like you start to get like much higher odds obviously of like getting repeats with each one you collect. And once again, I feel like that would make not a very fun video and just not a very fun experience to start getting repeats of these. So I'm so excited for you guys to see the other ball jointed dolls that I have coming in the mail. I feel like these are so cute. I feel like this is like a type of doll in an area of doll collecting that I would love to get into more. I feel like this is now my fourth ever ball jointed doll. I really like them. I feel like they're cute to dress, and I feel like if you were into doing like miniature photography or something, like how posable these are. I forget if they say like 40 something points of articulation or something, but like the wrist move, the elbows move, the ankles, the knees, the head of course fully moves around and comes off. So you could do a lot of like, you know, if you're really into collecting like mini brands and mini brands fashion, I feel like she would be like the perfect size for that. So yeah, if you want to find them, they're just Little Dooley on Amazon. But yeah, I'm excited to hear what you guys think in the comments down below. Let me know. Thank you guys so much for hanging out today and for watching. If you're not already and you'd like to be, hit the button down below, subscribe, become a member of the Banana Pepper Squad today. And until I see you guys again, which is going to be very, very soon, stay happy, stay healthy, stay sassy, stay banana peppery. I love you guys so much, and I'll be back again very, very soon. Bye!